Hi. Come on.
Hi, Gaia. Can you show us around the room?
Where's my camera?
That's it. That's your camera. Huh?
No, my other camera.
Oh, it's in my bag. We'll take. That's for photos. This is for video. Okay. That way we show everyone. What's that first one? Oh, it's a toilet.
Oh, that's totally
Okay. Okay. Open it. What's inside? Toilet.
Yeah.
Cool. So this is a toilet, everyone.
Yeah.
And then, quick, tell everyone what else is here.
Mom, my mom and daddy's room and the bath and three toilets.
Hey, this one. What's this? Come here. Which one is this?
Shower.
Don't touch it. Don't put your hand on it, remember? Because then people can't see. And then what else? This big bed.
And water.
Water.
And bathtub. And the toilet.
Where's the toilet? Can you look at the toilet? Let's open the toilet. That's the shower.
And there's the toilet.
Another? Oh, there's two toilets. Oh, one's for washing your bum. Cool. Are you gonna go swimming here with Zara? Can you point at the ducks? Look at the ducks.
And the ducks. We having so much.
Ducks. And there's two sinks.
Yeah.
Okay, put the duck back.
Where we have it so much fun, yeah. Look at this, Mommy.
Oh, two toilets. Oh, that's like a urinal one. Oh, it's gonna be high up to open these, alright? Whoa, look at that shower.
It's for washing your bum bums.
Washing your bum bum.
And that's the toilet.
Oh, yeah.
And there's the thing.
Oh, that was in
There's the yummy foods.
Yeah. And this main juice one. And the turn and the lovely team.
Yeah, pardon.
And this is everything.
So, well, for that one, we'll use the thing, yeah?
Mm.